Introducing the 2018 Chevrolet Trax. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.